This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by CJ Howell. Charming 3-bedroom twin home plus bonus room for a library or home office. Beautiful new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire home. Neutral colors throughout. Open floor plan and in great condition. This home is move-in ready. Located on a lovely cul-de-sac and within close distance of the elementary school. Great location close to military bases, restaurants, shopping, interstates, and beaches. For more information, review the details below.